Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. This is a very unusual video because I'm going to unbox very special beaded cross-stitch kits, precisely Christmas tree ornaments that I purchased from a Ukrainian company, Wonderland. It arrived pretty quickly, during 2 weeks. So this is how the kits are packaged inside the box. It also comes with a pink plastic bag. All of the items were purchased on the website of Wonderland, wonderland.com. I will leave the link in the description box below. I'm not advertising. Just if any of you is interested in these items, you can go ahead and purchase them. What's convenient about this website is that it shows the price in dollar currency as well as in Ukrainian currency, but for us dollar currency matters. The ordering process is pretty simple. You just add the liked items into the cart, place the order, and sometime later, most likely the next day, you will receive the email with the invoice that includes the shipping fee as well. Because they cannot tell you the shipping price right away, because they need to make sure, because it is based on the weight. Then they will send you also a link to the payment system, kind of like PayPal, but a Ukrainian PayPal. And once it is paid, your order will be assembled and shipped. So I paid $145 for everything. I ordered 17 items. 17 items. So there are 17 kits over here, and all this price includes the shipping. The shipping was like $24. It's pretty expensive. So the kits were around like $5-7 depending on the kit, which is pretty cheap. So now what we are going to do, we are going to look at every kit one by one. All of them are made on wood in different shapes, but the majority of them, except of the eggs, are Christmas tree ornaments. So I'll have a look at all of them. So this is the first kit. This is an Easter egg. It even says here, Happy Easter. That's how the original image looks like once it is completed. It has the instructions over here, how to bead stitch, but I'm pretty sure that those of you who bead stitched before know how to do it. It should be really very easy. It is bead stitched from on one side only, by the way, one side. So the kit also contains some kind of a card, the appreciation card as well. The kit also includes a pattern, colored pattern. Here it is. It comes with the thread, needle, the beads. Actually, this kit contains 4 colors. The red, dark red or burgundy, I would better say, golden, and special sized beads, I would say, the golden ones. Here it is. And it also contains this egg-shaped cloth that you are going to glue on the back of the egg, because again, it is bead stitched from one side only, from the front. And I think it's a wonderful gift. Can you imagine a handmade gift for Christmas? But this one for Easter, for example, and we also have a few kits, like 16 of those, for Christmas. I will show you each of them. But that's how usually, not usually, that's how the kit is assembled. That's how the kit goes. That's the contents of each kit. The beads, the cloth for the back of the kit, the wooden shape itself, the colored pattern, and the needle and the thread. So this is the first one. Let's look at the rest. I'm not going to open each of them because again, the principle is the same. There are a lot of kits that contain special shaped beads, like this one, for example. the bird. So this kit contains this red big-sized beads over here, and as the symbolized berries, as far as I understand, red berries. Very beautiful. Here's the bird. By the way, here is the company. By the way, this is the company's name in Russian or in Ukrainian, Wonderland or volshebnaya-strana.com.ua. Again, I will leave the link in the description box below. So, next kit is, let me turn off maybe it looks better like this. No, it doesn't. So, this is the Christmas tree. Also has special shaped beads. Beautiful. The next one is deer. Here it is. So you can actually, what I'm planning to do is to bead stitch all of them and decorate my Christmas tree with these ornaments this Christmas. Handmade Christmas tree ornaments this year. This is the sleigh. That's how they should look completed with their houses on it. Look at that. Isn't it pretty? So cute. Another Christmas tree ornament. Here it is. This is Santa's granddaughter. So in Russia, Ukraine, former USSR countries, Santa does not have a wife, but he has a granddaughter. Снегурочка. Snow maiden, kind of. So this is her, and as you can see, the face is bead stitched. Another Easter egg, but in different colors. This one is in blue. The one that I showed you is in red. A Christmas tree ornament with the snowflakes. And of course, I'm pretty sure that the completed kits will look way better than on the preview picture because I saw them completed. They're amazing. Two more. Oh, here's Santa. To tell you the truth, I don't even remember what I ordered. Santa, so it will be a really nice couple, so to say. Santa and his granddaughter on a Christmas tree. One more. The resolution is not that good. One more Christmas tree ornament. And of course, I can replace the beads, maybe. Not necessarily. I will bead stitch all of them in blue shades, although I love blue color. And as you can see, they are of different sizes. This ornament is bigger than this one. Also Christmas tree ornament. It comes kind of like from the childhood. When I was a child, we had different shaped Christmas tree ornaments, and this one was one of them. I don't even know what it is, what it represents, a candy. Also a star. Look, that one is pretty. Purple. And a Christmas tree ornament, of course, with a house. Geez, there are more. And these ones look a little bit different. They're packaged actually in additional box. And as far as I understand, these ones are bead stitched, you see, from both sides. I'm not sure if it is one or two different ornaments. One is bigger, one is smaller. Let's see. Oh, that's so cute. How accurately it is packaged. Yep. Two different ornaments, but in the same theme, you know. Here's the contents of the kit. So it includes the pattern. There are actually two patterns. This is for the bigger ornament, for this one, the front kind of. And the pattern for the smaller kit is here, the berries. Okay, so the kit also comes with these two blue cloth that are glued to the back of the ornament. The beads. This kit already has more colors than the previous one. It has 14, but as far as I understand, no special shaped beads. And it also has the thread and the needles. So once you order the kits, you don't have to purchase anything. Everything that you need to bead stitch it, to complete it, comes in it. Oh, actually, you know what? I think there is a special bead, at least one over here, you see? Looks weird. And here are the special beads, so to say. These are like the eyes for the bird. And this is the beads. These beads are actually matte, the majority of them, except for a few ones, for a few colors. I like this one. Look at this, like kind of iridescent gray. So, and this is iridescent green as far as I understand. Yeah, on the camera it doesn't look that iridescent. So, this is the kit. I won't be opening the similar ones. One more with a deer. So the principle is the same. Beautiful. But I will open, you know what? I will open this one. This is for like the napkin holder or something. Can you imagine? You can put something that you made with your own hands, like a napkin holder, on the table for Thanksgiving, for example, or for Christmas. Hopefully they will have new items, new products released closer to Christmas or hopefully to Thanksgiving, so we can order more. Okay, let me open. I think I will open this one and we will see how it looks inside. Sorry, had to move to the floor because all other space is occupied. So here's the kit, a napkin holder. This kit is a little bit different. You see, a napkin holder in the shape of the birds. It also has the cloth that is, glued in the back, to the back of the, over here, I guess. Or maybe over here. Yeah, I guess it's glued over here, most likely. Like this. And even the holder itself will be in the shape of the snowflake. This is the pattern for both sides. So this kit contains 10 colors. And the beads with special beads, I guess, with special shaped beads, although it's hard to call them so. They actually look like small buttons for the eyes. And here's the beautiful colors of the beads. This kit, by the way, I think it cost like $13. If all the rest cost around $5/7, this one, the napkin holder, was 13 bucks. So these are all the kits that I purchased, 17 of them. Again, I paid $145, including the shipment. I will leave the link in the description box below. If any of you would like to purchase them, go ahead. So it came pretty fast, in 2 weeks, from Ukraine. And that's how it looks. I love it. I will start bead stitching them as soon as I can. And for those of you who are interested in my progress, that's where I am with my beaded cross stitch kit on a blank canvas. It's from a different company, from Bead Magic. That's how it looks. The house is already seen through. And as soon as I complete the Christmas tree ornaments, this I will save for Easter. The eggs I will save for as soon as I complete some of them, I will show you the completed result. This way you will decide for yourself whether you like it or not, whether it's worth buying or not. And of course I will share my impression on whether it is hard to bead stitch on the wood, because I've never done it before. And again, you will decide for yourself. But if you are sure of yourself, if you are confident that you can do it, go ahead and purchase it. I really like it. This is it for today. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon.